Welcome back to Alpha Zone. Today, we're embarking on a thrilling journey to explore the enchanting landscapes and rich culture of Nebraska, USA. From the vast prairies to bustling cities, Nebraska has so much to offer. Let's dive right in. The Great Plains and wildlife. Nebraska's breathtaking Great Plains stretch as far as the eye can see. This natural wonder is home to an array of fascinating wildlife, including pronghorns, bison, and majestic eagles. Discovering Omaha. Nebraska's largest city, Omaha, boasts a vibrant art scene, a lively downtown, and a rich history. Explore the Old Market, visit the Joslyn Art Museum, and enjoy the city's famous steakhouses. The pioneer spirit. Nebraska played a crucial role in westward expansion. Step back in time as we visit historic sites like Chimney Rock and Scotts Bluff National Monument, celebrating the pioneer spirit that shaped America. Sandhills serenity. Nebraska's sandhills are a mesmerizing sight. These rolling dunes and grasslands offer a peaceful escape and provide the perfect backdrop for experiencing ranch life. Iconic Nebraska Huskers. Nebraska is known for its passionate sports culture, particularly with the University of Nebraska's iconic football team, the Huskers. Game day in Lincoln is an experience like no other. Questions and answers. Question 1. What are some of the fascinating wildlife species found in Nebraska's Great Plains? Answer. Pronghorns, bison, and eagles are some of the captivating wildlife species found in Nebraska's Great Plains. Question 2. Which city in Nebraska boasts a lively art scene and a rich history? Answer. Omaha, Nebraska's largest city, offers a vibrant art scene and a rich historical heritage. Question 3. What historical sites in Nebraska celebrate the pioneer spirit? Answer. Chimney Rock and Scotts Bluff National Monument are among the historical sites in Nebraska that celebrate the pioneer spirit. Question 4. What makes the sandhills in Nebraska so special and captivating? Answer. The sandhills in Nebraska are unique due to their stunning landscapes of rolling dunes and grasslands, providing a serene and picturesque escape from the hustle and bustle of city life. The area also offers visitors the opportunity to experience authentic ranch life and the charm of rural Nebraska. Question 5. What is the significance of the University of Nebraska's football team, the Huskers? Answer. The University of Nebraska's football team, the Huskers, holds immense significance in the state's culture and sports history. They have a passionate fan base, and game days in Lincoln create an electrifying atmosphere. The team's success and dedication to the sport have made them a source of pride for Nebraskans. That concludes our journey through the heart of the USA, Nebraska. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to Alpha Zone for more exciting travel content, and ring the bell to stay updated. Also, let us know in the comments below which state you'd like us to explore next. Until then, happy travels!